me mwakwa ba CMG TV so e bra song say sem kakra ye sa kan so me so for me de ba be som mo me di e de ohema esieji a Encourage Health Center and afi End Point Homeopathy Clinic one more and almost some see me de kase boy e ba be som afi ye hye insem a ye beti bi e wo kase bo ni mem and na day a speaker of parliament Owura Aban Gbagbe no abo MPP vote ni say one more na say de omo ya majority in parliament Eye Owura Aban Gbagbe so ade atudwa se eye ade adanu nyina bla se me ko so ma hye be difie no eye ade a me bo ento so ena de ye nuanu MPP for mo so de ahomachiko no mkopie mu e wo ma hye be difie afa insem ni mu chimu ena de ena ye mra hye bedwafo wo mo hye o masetena edikan ase ni nyina ne se na impanifo ekwa akotena se na afa o ma hwe se on beti mi yi majority in parliament any minority anas na ade no asi aye no enam so emadwumadie no ekoso ano eye Owura Aban Gbagbe no no ye se o speaker of parliament on ma hye bedwafie wodi to just say eye for me na MP no wodi let's say aba se no pese oni enuanu MPP fo eye ma hye bedwafo no woni omu eye adwuma enti no se wo hwe se ne letter na eche na Owura ne de na waka ne de a na se bibia edi adanse pefe se de ye nuanu MPP fo e na akokopie mu e won ma hye bedwafie a won mo ye majority in parliament.
I have the letter in my hands and I'll proceed to read the contents to all of you. The letter emanates from his office and is dated 13th January 2021. The Right Honorable Speaker, Office of Parliament, Osu, Accra. Dear Sir, declaration to do business with the MPP caucus. I, Andrew Esiema Amwako, an independent member of parliament for Fomina constituency, and now the second deputy speaker for the A parliament, do hereby declare that I shall, for purposes of transacting business in the house, associate with the MPP caucus in the same parliament. Honorable members, with this official declaration to the House will accord him the space to do as he has stated. Whatever he said outside was of no effect so far as the business of the House is concerned. And therefore, he had to do it officially for it to be read and captured in the Hansard. And so what we have now, you have the New Patriotic Party wing or caucus in Parliament, together with the independent member of Parliament from Fomina, and they now constitute the majority group.
Kasa no say adana nyina bransem ekwo so ma hye bedwafie no enya dia ne bojo so enti wono na pen so ye speaker of parliament de wo ka kire emra hye bedwafo ne say wo mu ho pa wo mu nye ho so mu ye emra hye bedwafo wono abo ne yenka ne keke enti no wo ka kire wo so mu mani na ho na sa enya bransem na ekwo so adana no wo mbere so mu nye bi wo de won ne pa ene koma emra hye bedwafo no.
In addressing the issue of what the people of Ghana expect of this parliament, I would be remiss if I did not express my deepest regret, both as a former member of this citizen of this great nation, at the rather unruly behavior and commotion that took place on the floor of this house last week, including the presence of armed soldiers on the floor, and the breaches of the sanctity of the vote that would otherwise attract severe punishment in connection with the election of the Speaker of the 8th Parliament. It was, to put it mildly, despicable conduct.
Na ene eye emrashebedwafo wo mo show masetena edikan ase o emrashebedwafie na kamia ye say ase ehunu bi penti no abo asere o je ne background na wayi nani e de ato nchen ye nuanu MPP fo ada no asem e ko so no mo koye no na ye nuanu NDC fo bi akokotrete na wo mo position ni ti no nam so na enne akokodi ko ahomana chen eni nuanu MPP fo sore ye emrashebedwafo no eni wetu nika odu we ntoku eche wasi ye ko time aso we ko si ye ko se be no na ya homachi no ni enuanu MPP fo no wo musi mrashebedwafe ni nyina ne se wo mo kwa akotena wo position wo mo pese da na esi ye no ebi ebesi bi Aya Orua Haruna Idrusu wadi aba abonti na enro an wo friends emtwefo nhyiemu ni nyina afa eye ane asetena wo mo koye no ho na enumu ana ye Orua Haruna Idrusu wadi tudwase wo mo de omu ni ha wo se ba se enei eye Speaker of Parliament wo boye nuanum MPP din se wo mo enom ye majority in Parliament enfom won bekoso ayomudom kuma na wo mu ni problem kra enti no eno Orua Haruna Idrusu ono so wodi etu twa.
We are responsible Ghanaian citizens. The people of Ghana want to see Parliament function and function effectively to serve their purposes and to serve their needs. What happened the last time did not please many, and therefore in the interest of peace and ensuring that Parliament functions effectively to serve the needs of the Ghanaian people, my side will have no difficulty sitting on the left whilst we make the demands that our strength be respected in the composition of committees and in the determination of leadership of committees. But even more importantly, they appreciating that Formula 1 is only arithmetic but not legal constitutional.
Eye Orua oseche mensa say the na se ono ano ekwa ono ano majority in Parliament they say ono yo penia wadoma na eye edwumadie no ekoso e mrashebedwafie no na oseche mensa edi tudwa say Formula MP eye ni susie anase decision na wo take ye na gina so gina ye na ode letter ne ba abon so pese odon mi ode ne ho kobo MPP amayokuo no wose enya de Orua no decision na wafa no na wo fa ye no eya ade bia ebrom na ne so ana nyese bia entwe yie wose Orua decision of fa ne de ne kwa so ano no enti e wo ma no mo keka se ai na for me na MP decision de ene no se da bi enya de bia ebrom na no so chese emrom na no so ne kwa so ano de ope na oye na mramu no so no de oye ye no ensisi mra no ene mra no ebobra enti for me na MP no na gina so a ogina ye no ana decision na ofa ye no e ya de a mfumsuo bia eni hu.
The member for Formina is not oblivious of the constitutional provision relating to his doing business with the MPP caucus. And that's why, Mr. Speaker, he was very careful in his choice of words. Mr. Speaker, it doesn't amount to crossing carpet, what he has done. But doing business with the MPP caucus, understandably, give the MPP caucus one more additional seat in the conduct of business in this house.
Ghana Medical Association, one more the above say, COVID-19 say no amano hunu subio Ghana. Say COVID-19 no Ghana Medical Association the above say. One must say ehura sa akosoro. Enti we die one mo de adesrede e na eto aban nanim say. One mo ne ho modern pa na COVID-19 protocols na odi gu akwan so no. Say enye enhye. enken kan ya be bie school was rep power ya de se de na esra aban no si e ba bie school yi de enes na covid-19 nso no ama no ho ne so no e ya de a protocols na aban de gu akwan so no me chen hye ya aban de gu akwa so no aban sa ama na ni mmere na won fa enhye nto se ne ye be ya obi biara o me owo me mu no wo be di hye ne so esise na ka me esa se protocols no ye hiye ni ato nchen asa enfa ye hu bio that mean say covid-19 na twem nti ene na Ghana Medical Association di aba no omo si ntwem mu na say no asama no hom ne so nti omo de say de ka kira ban ne say protocols no di gu akwan so no wo mo nyina obo pa no mo fa enhye nto so no omo hye ana afa so no omo ka kira ban ne say covid-19 test na be ya enko omo nya ni free no bia nti menye bi na afa contact tracing ni so a emri bi omo di gu akwan so na no omo ye no so no aban ensan ko famra no omo hyase no omo nya contact tracing fi say ebia no mo tete ho sa na afa enfofo no akwakoda ne wo mu kwaye kasebo no nyina aba na wieye me amede kasebo no ebe sombo no edi ameje so eyo hema esiedia kasebo enka echi health center and afa end point homeopathic clinic won eno maso mase amede kasebo no ebe somo afa yehwe insema ye TB ewo kasebo ni mu and the speaker of parliament eye owura abamba ben wa boye nuanu MPP for di sesese no won mu eno me majority in parliament owura abamba ben so ade atoja se ada no anyina abra ma e koso ewo no ahye beje fie mo pese na pen so die ebesi nuanu MPP for so ene de yahomachi ko eno mo sole kopie mu ewo no ahye beje fie mu na me kai was say CMD stories no very authentic no krenko a ene e de ba to be so full stories na wo betimi a log in akwa website no cmonline.com.gh Facebook CMGA TV YouTube CMGA TV and Twitter at CMGA TV. But I say so we na share me that say no e besa na share macro